My name is
Look
Pissy
like
Chai.
me. Why do you look like me?
Oh, really?
How were you able to do it? Please explain to me and teach me how you could duplicate myself in this video.
Don't worry,
I don't
I will
understand.
teach you. So, with Capcut app, you can be able to achieve this. You can be able to duplicate yourself in a video. I'm going to be teaching you how to edit this video in the Capcut app. So before I continue, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go and edit this video. Learn and watch, or watch and learn. Hello guys, welcome back. Yes, so I said I was going to teach you how to clone yourself in a video. The first step to take is to make your video. You use a good camera or you use a good phone camera to make this video. You make your first video, which is, this is my first video that I made. Then also make the second video. This is the second video I also made. So you can, in your different video, you can make 3 to 4 videos depending on how you want your video to be, how the amount of clones you want to make. You can use the same clothes, you can use different clothes. Mine, I use different clothes. You can watch from the beginning of the video. It was a different clothes I used. So after making your video, now time for editing. If you don't have Capcut app on your phone, you download it. But if you have, you go to your Capcut app. So let's go. Follow me through. So you click on your Capcut app, you click on new projects, then you choose your first video. This is the first video I chose. Yes. So after then, you go to overlay. When you go to overlay, you click on your second video. Yes. Then you adjust the second video, you zoom it to be able to match the first video. Yes, then after adjusting it, you will click on the video there. As I clicked it, go to max to choose horizontal. You see this line, you adjust it like this to split it, so you can be able to split the video. You can see that the background, that's chair background, this chair background, it's not equal. So I clicked on one of the video to adjust it to be able to match the background well. So this thing now, that's why if you want to make a video like this, you have to use a plain background. A plain background will be easy for editing. Yes, it will be easier for you to edit. It took a while for me to get this. So I am done adjusting it. You can see, yes, okay, I think a little bit. Yes, I am done adjusting it. You can see it matches upright. There's no difference. You cannot detect anything. So yes, this is it, the end. You can do this for many. You can clone yourself 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, if the background can accept the quantity of yourself. I will teach you.
Why you looking like me?
With Capcut app, you can be able to achieve this. So we are done making the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you could grasp the knowledge that I instilled on you guys in this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Bye. See you on another video.